Hey guys, what's good? I hope you guys are staying safe in that. As you guys would know, my name's Shane Pedersen and I like to make videos just for you. If you haven't yet subscribed, make sure you do so right now before you continue on this video, because you know, that's all I ask is just a subscribe and maybe a like if you like this video. But without getting rudely interrupted by my alarm, in the last video that I made about 5 things I hate about my Focus, at the very end of the video I announced that I will be lopping off this beard, this Arab beard, when I hit 1,000 subscribers. So, you know, if you want to see me barefaced and that, you know, hit the subscribe button, humiliate me by shaving this beard. Alright guys, so as you can see in the video, I'm going to be installing some radiator hoses. So these are just these are the top and bottom radiator hoses for the XR5 or ST225, wherever you come from. And these ones are made in Australia. So what I found out also, guys, I sweat a lot whenever I have hair product in, or like beard oil or anything like that, because like, I don't know, like it feels like it clogs my skin. Not the beard oil, just the hair product I use. I need to let this puppy cool down because, you know, I have to do some shopping and everything like that, so she's a little bit too hot to work at. Yeah, hot. So yeah, I'm going to have something to eat and also have a workout, and then I'm going to start this fucking journey, bloody ripping all these hoses out. Nah, it should be easy. Should be easy. Alright, I just finished my workout and time to crack on with it. I'm going to take out the intake so I can take out the radiator hose a lot easier. That's why I'm changing out my radiator hoses, because yeah, she's leaking. So right there is the actual drain plug for the radiator, so you'll just want to grab a Phillips head and undo that bad boy. Also, another trick is to have the radiator cap still on, because if you have it off then it just gushes out. So what I'm doing now, guys, is I've still got the plug still somewhat in, but of course I've unloosened it a lot. I'm just going to try and take the plug all the way out without getting too much coolant on me. As you can see, I'm just pumping it slightly just to speed up the process. So this is what it looks like when you undo the cap a little bit. You don't want to undo it too much because then it just gushes out like mad. So this is that drain plug that I was talking about. She's only plastic, so you don't need much to strip it out. She had a bit of a split gooch there. Look how fat this radiator hose is. It's meant to be that size there, all the way down. She's fucking swollen. Like, I changed it out now. So that's the size that it's meant to be. You can see how fucking fat she is. Even this is like swollen. Lucky we changed it out now. Yeah, she's ultra squishy. So that's the top hose done. Now I need to tackle the bottom hose, which is a lot easier to undo. Alright guys, so just a quick reminder that the radiator is actually plastic, unless you've got an aftermarket radiator. If you wiggle it, then it can crack off, so that's not what you want. Out with the old, in with the new. All the coolant hoses are in. Yep. So this is where I'm going to leave today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, you know what to do. Hit the like button and also subscribe. I went for a nice long drive and there was no coolant on the ground, which was good. So I've done something right. But I'll check in a few days as well, and I'll also give you guys updates if I have any dramas with anything like that, or anything like that. If you guys want to support me in what I do, you can use the link in the description and grab your own merch from humpdaymerch.weebly.com. And that's all I have to say. So stay fresh, stay clean, and I'll see you guys in the next scene. Yeah, yeet!